they look like. These are really, really bad. I need to clean them all. Let's give this a try. So this is the soap that I use by blankcanvascosmetics. It's a solid soap. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the sponges and they're dry. Well, they're pretty dry. And I'm just going to rub them all over the soap. Put a couple of drops of water just in there, and that will just allow you to really get in there and cover the sponge with soap. It's already bringing back the color. You can see that it's kind of getting rid of all of that product. So they're all soaped up and ready to go in the microwave. So I have my Let's Get Cozy mug, and you're gonna pop in as many as you can fit. I usually think like 3 is probably enough to go in here. And you're gonna fill this with cold water, not hot, cold. So once you put the water in, just gonna very lightly push them down into the water. You can see that that soap is already working. The foundation is already coming off, but we're gonna microwave it. When they come out, they're really hot, so be super careful. Do not try and touch them because you will burn yourself. You're going to take a spoon and press them up against the side, and this will get rid of the excess. So you might need to do this a few times, but when the water is clear, you know you're ready to go. So just rinse these in cold water. I noticed that some of them still have a little bit of residue. So I'm gonna just add a little bit more soap. Bear in mind that the inside can still be really hot, so be careful you don't burn yourself. Let's add some cold water and let's try this again. So we are back, and you guys can see how the water is just a little bit more clearer now. When I press down, you're still seeing a little bit more cloudiness coming through. So it could take maybe 3 attempts at this. If I've just washed it, used it, and then washed it again within like 24 hours, it only takes 1 time. But because these were sitting there for so long, it took a little longer. The water is clean. So this one hasn't gone into the microwave, and I'll show you guys the difference when you squeeze this one. See that? Compared to the ones that we cleaned, that's how you know it's clean. And there we go, perfectly clean sponges. Believe it or not, all of these swatches are from exactly the same shadow, but using different techniques to apply them.